Brick house yun? Oh. O siguro nga.
Yung the one that's
Hindi ko lang
overlaid
maalala.
and is the nice,
Kasi may
fence.
flag doon, di ba? Wala naman siyang fence.
Wala siya yung brick, wala. Pero yung dito,
Meron.
meron yung fence na blocks, pero it's done nicely. That's not a brick house, that's like a concrete. Brick house.
Binago nila. Yung for sale?
Hindi yung for sale. Dito din for sale, di ba? Tapos dito, malaking bahay doon.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's concrete. That's a concrete house. Tapos yung ano nila yung
Mista tapos ang concrete sa bricks.
yung ano nila yung roof nila is tile. That's very far from the bricks.
Oh, yeah, that's a European style house. I'm talking about the bricks house with the tiles roof. That's the only house here with the roof like that. With the tiles roof. The brick house. Oh, yeah, that one right here. Oh, there is. Ah, okay, I know which one you're talking about. That's one right past the separate street towards that way. And in the corner, this is sunod. Marian, wala. Di ba? May street doon, di wala yung pumunta doon. Doon. Tapos susunod yun, di ba? Meron bricks house din sa kanan. That is that one you're talking about. Nasa likod ng mga kapoy eh. Tapos yung gate nila is ano, bricks.
But it is in Marian Drive. That's
Yeah,
the one
it's
that
in Marian.
was here. Yung sinabi kong mayroong Marian Drive.
Oh, I have to walk down there. I have to look at it. I have to look at it. Gagawin natin dito because
I
yung
know.
ano yung mga bahay. Hindi kasi mga gaan.
Kasi yung dalawa
Hindi ko
that you're
binabantay.
talking about, the one that close to the ditch, that's the brick house. And that's a big house.
I think so. I remember now. I think it's a brick house. It is a big house.
Then one next to them is the little one. I don't know if
Yung may apples, kanino yun? Di ba sa harap din yun ng beach? Yung may apples na nilagyan nila ng ano para walang magpitas.
Oh,
Yun di
I
ba?
didn't see that.
Pag nalalaglag yung mga apples pupunta sa daan, papunta doon. Doon sa house na to, corner doon.
Hindi ko pa yan
Kasi
ano.
nagugulong papunta rin mga apples pag naglalagan.
Kasi if I go for a walk, I don't go down. I just go straight to the beach.
I don't either.
The beach.
Yeah, I go there and then come out there. That's what I do too. Or I go here and come out there.
I go down. But I don't go down.
I don't either. I don't either.
I do that sometimes.
Me too. Malapit naman snack. Ang bigat, no? Mainit pa nang mabili ko na bagong luto.
Thank you very much.
Tagal mo yun, maubos ang bigat eh.
It's like I'm the one. I went to the store. See, this is the one. See, nakita mo, wala na ng mga ano.
I know, kinain ng mga deer.
Tapos ang dami ng ano, dami ng... Kasi, oh, see, kinain nila.
Pati yung bunga.
May bunga na. Tapos kinain. Tapos
Wala
yung,
masyadong bunga this year. Did you
yung,
know
yung
it?
maliit, yung anak, doon siya.
Ayun ang kinain yung garlic. They tried to chew it. That's garlic. That's my purple tomatoes. Diba, naliligo na yung ano, blue jay.
Oh, good.
Ginawa kong ano,
See? She has no competition there.
no, picture ko nga. Ayun na, lilipad na.
Hey. Okay, thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh my gosh.